Ready to move your macOS data to a new drive? Let's get started. Step 1. Connect a new drive and open Disk Utility from Applications Utilities. Select a new drive, click Erase, choose APFS or macOS Extended, then Erase. Confirm the name and scheme, then wait for the format to complete. Once formatted, close Disk Utility and restart your Mac if prompted. Open Migration Assistant from Utilities to begin transferring your data. Choose to transfer from a Mac, Time Machine Backup, or Startup Disk, then continue. Select the source drive and the new drive as a destination, then continue. Pick the user accounts, applications, and files you will move, then start. Monitor the progress bar. Larger transfers can take time. When migration finishes, restart your Mac and sign into the migrated account. Confirm files and settings, then repurpose or erase the old drive as needed.